Alright, here's the full station setup. So we've got the station controller, we've got the Raspberry Pi module there. We've got two coax switches, so all of the antennas for antenna A for both flexes come to this guy, and then all of the antennas for antenna B go to this guy, and then we've got the distribution for the DCN and power. Then we've got the wave nodes that come in that take RF samples, and then we've got those wrapped around here that got some ferrites on there. Then we've got the Paradan antenna switch or disconnect. We've got the watt meter and then the GPIO. And then here we've got our switch, our WAN router, that's right there. We've got the 6700 flex. Then below that we've got the 8600. We've got a PC here, and then we've got all of the power supplies. And all of that is in a 2-post rack, and you can see that we've got some cable management here that somewhat does a decent job. But as you get down here, it's just a mess of wires. So let's go to the front here. So we've got a DLI antenna, a DLI Power Switch Pro here that it's got 8 relays. No, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2 always on. That's how we connect all of our, or turn all of our power supplies and things that have AC on and off. And then we've got this DC power supply that supplies power to the Pi. So this is AC in and then 12 volts out. That's on a DIN rail. You can see all the ferrites there. We've got, that was an old KM-Tronics relay that we don't use anymore. And then we've got the back of the switch, the router, the 6700, the 8600, the PC, and then the power supplies. So that is all of the remote station right there.